Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Flying Ride here. That right there is my 2024 Ducati Pikes Peak. I've done a bunch of upgrades to this bike, and most recently I installed the full Akrapovic exhaust, titanium, and I've not given you a nice ride capturing the sound of that exhaust. And let me tell you, if you are on the fence on getting this upgrade, because of course it is a bit pricey, I'm telling you, if you can swing it, it just changes the bike completely. The sound, the feel. There's a map that they update the bike once they put this full exhaust on. It just wakes up the bike in a way that feels amazing, and of course, it just sounds amazing. The engines of these bikes with these exhausts make such a nice sound. So in this video, I'm gonna just take it for a nice spin. Early morning, and not a lot of talking. I'm gonna just let you listen to the exhaust. I'll give you some of my thoughts as we're riding it through it. So let me give you a nice cold start and enjoy today's video. Let's roll. Nice crisp morning. That sounds good. Rumbling. So I'm using both the camera mic, and I also have my DJI mic here on the side, and I want to see if it really captures the sound. That's the hard thing about capturing the sound. The video doesn't really do it justice. Hopefully it's coming through as I hear it, because in person it does sound amazing. Such a fun bike to ride, especially after that that full Acra exhaust with that map, the new map that comes with it. Of course, there's even more you can do to this bike. You do a BT Moto tune, which again I've done to my BMW R1250 GS, and that tune just dramatically changed that bike. But this bike, honestly, like this, it's so powerful, still completely under warranty. I think I'm going to leave it like this for a while. Because it's got plenty of power. And particularly in the high RPMs, when this thing gets above 7,000 or 8,000 and you punch it, holy smokes, man, it just wants to take off. Flashing, it's my blind spot detector telling me there's a car next to me. So let me know what you think down in the comments below. Do you like the sound of the Acra exhaust? I absolutely love it. Obviously I'm biased because I have it on my bike, but if anybody's done it, let me know what you think down in the comments below. Nice short ride. I just wanted you to hear the sound of that exhaust. I'm in Red Bank, New Jersey. Gonna continue to enjoy a nice early morning ride. So look, that's gonna do it for this video. Do me a favor, if you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. Thanks for watching.